Stock option trading. AMD stock option jumped 5 times. Could it continue? Why stock option could be better than trading stocks? After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know how to profit from AMD stock option. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. AMD stock share jumped almost 2 times year to date, especially on October 6th. It jumped more than 23%. Why? It's because OpenAI taking stake in AI chip maker AMD. So this deal is gonna involve 6 gigawatt of AMD over the next 10 years. So OpenAI could get warrants exercise. They could get up to 160 million stocks. So it's about 10% of AMD. So 1 gigawatt gonna be the first year gonna be in 2026. So this is gonna be 10-year arrangement, right? So AMD has already created enough demand for the next 10 years until around 2035. Of course, OpenAI, they take the investment in AMD. So OpenAI could be using more of AMD chips. So that's why AMD stock jump. So how is it related to stock option? Why stock option could be better than trading stocks? I'm gonna show you. So AMD jumped 23.71% on October 6th. So I traded stock option on September 12th. Strike price 170 call. February 20, 2026. It was only 15.85. Okay. So September 12, how much was AMD on September 12? September 12 AMD was 158.57. So because of the jump, it jumped 28.47%. Okay, for stop price, it's only 28.46% jump. But for option, okay, look at this. October 6th, it became $66.75. So you multiply with $100. One call option represents 100 shares. So I invested around 1,500. So I got back 6,600 plus. So 321% gain. So more than 4 times. So 28.47% gain in stock translates to 321% gain. So if you divide 321% by 28.47, you get more than 11 times. So the jump in call option is more than 11 times the jump in stock. And plus, if we buy 100 shares of AMD, we need to use like 15,000 on September 12. October 6 is gonna be 20,000 plus, right? Now only call option 1,500 and it became 6,600. So capital is a lot less, and also the return is a lot more. You see, this is why trading stock options is pretty powerful. We don't need lots of capital, and we can get multiple gains because one call option represents 100 shares, right? And remember, expiration date. If you choose a very short dated expiration date, what's gonna happen? You could lose time decay much faster than the jump in call option price. So that's why I chose longer, a little bit medium term. I bought February expiration date on September 12. So we have like October, November, December, January, February, 5 months. 5 months. Even so, the gains is quite phenomenal. Okay, this is 16 trading days, 3 trading weeks gain. Let's look at two more days. Okay, 2 more days, 18 trading days. So it jumped to 74.95. Look at this. That's pretty crazy, right? Pretty crazy. So it's only 3 weeks, only 2 more days. So 373% used to be 321%. So 52% gain. 52% gain. Okay. So what happened on October 8th? 235.56. Okay, we calculate that. Okay, let's calculate how much is the jump in stock price. 235.56 divided by 203.71. 203.71. 203.71. Let's see. 15.63% additional jump in 2 days. In 2 days translates to 52% jump. 52% jump. Look at this. 373 minus 321. 52% jump. So that's the power of stock option, traded stock option compared to stock trading. Okay. Even for the stock trading, yeah, the jump is quite big, but then your profit may not be as big as trading stock option. Of course, we could have sold it after getting the gains of 373%, but if we had hold it, let's say we hold it for 5 weeks, 5 trading weeks instead of 3 trading weeks, it's 5 times the capital, 79.10, 5 times the initial capital investment. Okay, 399% gain, so it's 5 times. Of course, there was some period of going down, like nothing goes straight up, because we have long expiration date. We could afford to hold it for a long time. Do I think AMD could continue to go up? Yes, I think so. But there's an earnings support coming up. Okay, so how could you profit from this knowledge? Using this my call option. Okay, I want to give it to you. This strike price 170. This is not a financial advice for you to trade, but this is what I'm trading. Okay, you can use it if you want. And February expiration date, we still have much time. We can do 2 ways. We can buy it before the earnings. If AMD jump, that's gonna be profit. If we buy 2 options, let's say we're gonna sell it just before the earnings date, hey, we could have profited. We're gonna hold another call option until after the earnings date. If it jump, we're gonna be profitable. If it drops, we still have time. Why? Because earnings support gonna be in October. So February, we still have time. November, December, January, February, 4 months. Yeah, right? If it drop, we can buy more of this call option. This is a strategy, right? You can just buy it and hold it for 1 call option, or you can just sell it just before the earnings if you are nervous, if you are not so confident. Or as a diversification, if I buy 2 call options, I usually sell 1 before the earnings. I usually hold another 1 until after the earnings. If it drops, I buy another call option. That's a good strategy. And that's what I do. So what do you think? Do you think AMD gonna go up more after earnings or gonna drop? Comment down below. Personally, if I were you, I don't have any AMD call option. I already took profit on that AMD call option, right? Stock has already been up a lot. Over the past 1 month, 44.08%, 6 months, 166.9, year to date. It's already up and it's already in overbought territory. So I will just wait after the earnings support. If it drops, I could use the same call option. Just buy it, then wait for it to rally in November and December, and possibly in January. And I could sell it in January, if I want. So if you want to learn more, you can go to Master Rich Stock Option Crypto. Go to playlist. You can check out my stock investing, call option, put option, advanced option, and day trading movement in playlist. If you want to reach out to me, you can reach out to me The link's gonna be in the YouTube description and comment down below. You can know what I trade and what I profit. The Patreon link's gonna be in the YouTube description and comment down below. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye.